Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add image means raster data in QGIS. So it is very important. So see this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our path, D drive, online classes and particular date, and here is our image, and we double click image, otherwise we drag it. Our raster image is added successfully, and if you want to zoom, you zoom it. Here is maximum zoom, and you see here is pixel value of image, and we zoom out. After add image, we go to layer and create layer and select here new shape file layer, and we go to file name means particular path where you save it. We here is our path, and we write here file name, line, and type. You see here save as type E3 and save it. After it, we select here category type, line, and here is our projection. We give projection WGS 8443 north. If you don't have, you go to select CRS and you select as per your projection. After it, we select here type, string, field name, length, and length 80, and add to field and OK. Our line shape file created. We create next shape file, go to layer, create layer and new shape file layer, and we select here location and we write here point and save. Geometry type point and projection as per your projection, and field name and type test, size 80, and click add to field list, then OK. Our point file is created. Next we go to layer, create layer, new shape file, and go to again folder path, and we write here polygon and shape type SHP, save, and geometry type polygon, and name we write here area, type test, and length we write here 50, and add to field list. Click here, our field is added. After it, we OK. Our line, point and area shape file created and raster image added. So we complete successfully raster image addition and create line, point, area shape file. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.